Welcome to the Mastercam 2018 Analyzing Chains video. Chaining is a process to select multiple entities, such as lines, arcs, points, or splines. Chaining is used when modifying or transforming existing entities or when creating a toolpath. Entities form a chain when the distance between two consecutive entities is less than the chaining tolerance, 0.001 as stated in the system configuration. When chaining geometry to create a toolpath, it is important in some circumstances to chain the geometry in the proper direction, as this will determine the direction the cutter travels when machining the part. As an example, if I select a machine and choose Mill Default, and then begin to create a simple contour toolpath, the chaining dialog box will appear. If I select Partial and select this entity here, the chain will be counterclockwise. If I were to select it here, the chain will be clockwise. You can click on the reverse button to change the direction. When selecting a chain, there are a number of problems that you can experience, such as the chain stops because the lines do not touch, or the chain stops because lines cross, because there are duplicate entities, or there are overlapping entities. Hold down the Shift key and select each chain in the middle. You will notice that only part of the chains are selected in each case. Press the Escape key to clear your selection. First, we will check for duplicate entities. Click on the Home tab, and from the Delete group, select Duplicates. The Delete Duplicate summary box will appear, telling us that it has deleted 2 duplicate lines. Click on OK. Then, hold Shift and select each of the 4 quadrants. Notice that now, Shift and clicking on this chain selects the entire thing. So the problem with this chain was that there was duplicate entities. Press Escape. Next, we will use the Find Overlap C-hook to remove any overlapping entities. Note that you cannot run C-hooks if you are using the Mastercam Home Learning Edition software. To run a C-hook, you can press Alt-C on your keyboard, or from the Home tab, click on Run Add-in. Then, search for Find Overlap. And click Open. Since we don't know which chains may or may not have overlaps, we will select all entities. Use the Quick Mask Select All Advanced button and choose All Entities. Then, click on End Selection or press Enter. Notice that the Find Overlap C-hook has selected overlapping entities here. Click on Cleanup. Then press OK. Hold down Shift and select this chain. Now it selects the entire chain. Press Escape to clear your selection. Another problem could be that some of these entities do not actually touch. Right-click in the graphics window and select Isometric View. As you can see, in this quadrant, some of the entities are on different Z depths. To fix this, we will click on Transform and click Project. When prompted to select the geometry, click on Select All Advanced Quick Mask again, and choose All Entities. Then press End Selection. Change the entity method to move and project to distance 0. Then press OK. Hold down Shift and select this chain. Now the entire chain is selected. Change the view to top and press Escape to clear your selection. Then right-click in the graphics window and click on Clear Colors. Zoom in on this area here. Hold Shift and select the end of the chain. Then press Escape. Hold Shift and select this end of the chain. Zoom in at the end of the chain. To fix this problem, we will use the Trim to Entities command to extend or trim entities to their intersection point. Zoom out and click Wireframe. From the Modify group, click on Trim Break Extend. Then enable Trim to Entities. Zoom in and select the first entity here and the second entity here. This will trim the geometry to their intersection point. Press the OK button. Zoom out. Hold down Shift and select the end of the chain. Zoom in to where the chain stops. Now we will repeat the process that we did earlier. Select Trim Break Extend, Trim to Entities, select the first entity here and the second entity here. This will trim the entities to their intersection point. Press the OK button. Hold down Shift and select the end of the chain. Thank you for watching the Mastercam 2018 Analyzing Chains video.